How to start crypto margin trading on Binance. Easy tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a tutorial on how to start crypto margin trading on Binance. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will go to Binance.com and you will land on this platform right here. Binance is world's leading crypto platform where you can buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. On Binance, we have a lot of different features and tools. It's an all-in-one platform, and today we will focus on margin trading using Binance. So let's get into it. First of all, once you get to Binance.com, you will log into your account. If you do not have an account, you can register for it very easily. To register on Binance, you can sign up with phone or email, or you can use your Google account or your Apple as well. Once you create your account on Binance, you will get to the main dashboard. Make sure that you verify your identity because without that, you will not be able to buy, sell, or trade actually on Binance, but you can still use the platform. Make sure to verify your identity. Once you get to Binance.com, you will get right here and you can see we have buy crypto, we have markets and trade. Then in trading, you can see we have different types of trading available. We have Binance Convert, spot trading, and then we have margin trading. There are others as well. There are derivatives too, where we can find tokens and futures. We have earn option, finance, and an NFT marketplace too. To get to the Binance margin trading, you will click on trade and then click on margin. Or you can go to the marketplace and then select the trading option. So let me actually take you to the market first and show you all of the coins available, and then we can just switch to the trading view. Here we have the market on Binance, and you can see we have the highest coins available, all of the prices, all of the stakings, and all of the different trading options are available. And you can see all of the coins are available. We have their live prices. It is updated every second. Now what I can do is I can go to the trading and it will take us to the trading window on Binance. So here we have our trading view on Binance, and this is our margin trading. I'll show you how to use it. Keep in mind, this video is not a financial advice and I'm not a financial advisor. Trading in crypto and buying and selling crypto involves high degree of risk, or whether you're afraid to lose money or not. This tutorial is for the platform Binance, and I'm showing you how to use Binance if you want to do margin trading. That being said, let's continue. Once you get to the trading window, let me actually show you how it looks. First of all, you will select your coin right here, your perpetual. How to select it? You will get your window here, this panel. It's either on the right side of the screen or the left, so it can switch. Here we have this. You can also select, like the appearance of everything from settings, and I have selected a dark mode, you can see, and we have different colors available and different order mode too. So we have this one right here, and you can see we can actually first select any of the coins from here. For example, I have selected BTC. And then I have all of these perpetual available for BTC. I have selected BTC and USDT, one of the most famous ones. This is the live price right now, 19,000 for this one at the time of making this video. It may vary when you are checking out Binance or you're watching the video. Then we have 24-hour change, 24-hour high, 24-hour low, 24-hour volume, and this is for USDT and this is for BTC. Then we have this right here, which is our order book, and we can select the appearance for it, and this is where I will be able to see the prices. It's updated every second. You can see right here we have amount and we have total. I can also check the average price, the some BTC and some USDT for this order book here. Now this is our main trading window, and here you can select the time first. Like you want to check out the view for 15 minutes, for 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, or 1 week. So what I've selected is I've selected 1 day. Now it'll show me different perpetuals, and we're actually checking out the margin trading. So here I have all of these values. I can now maybe switch to like 1 hour view, and it'll show me highest value and the lowest, and these are the values, and now I can just mark them and use different tools available on Binance to check out the trading window. If we scroll down, this is where you will be working if you want to actually trade. We have the market trends given here and market activities, and this is where you will enter your information. So we're working with the margin and we have limit. I have selected limit. I am going with cross 3x. We have first of all the price. This is the price. I cannot go down from this, or I can select the amount. It depends on the amount as well. Let's say I go with 1 BTC. Now this is going to be the price. Let's switch to 2, and if I go with 2, it will actually change the price for me and it will update it. Similarly, I can go with maybe like 0.5 and it will show me the price right here. This is for the normal, not borrow or repay, normal. And then we have the option to select the percentage, and then you will get the option of trade right here. Similarly, we have option given here for a dual order, and this is how you can just simply go ahead and buy and trade with crypto. We can also use different bots available on Binance that help us save time and automate a lot of our work. So you can use the bots as well. Just enter the amount. If you have funds in your wallet, then you're good to go. Make sure to just verify your identity on Binance and make sure that you have some currency in your Binance. Of course, you can buy the crypto from 4 options. There is a bank deposit available, credit and debit card, cash balance, and P2P trading. So these are the way we can buy crypto with. So you can go with these, and then you can just simply go ahead and start trading. Margin trading is really easy with Binance because it's an easy to use platform, and when we compare it to other platforms, it has a lot of different tools for us and makes margin trading really easy. So you can see all of these different options that I showed you available on Binance. You can go ahead and check it out right now. If you want to buy crypto, let me quickly show you that as well. Let's go with maybe a bank deposit. So I'll show you. You will select the currency. That's how easy it is to actually buy crypto on Binance. Select the currency. Let's go with euros maybe. Deposit with. So you'll just select the bank you want to go for. You'll select your simple bank for your euros, and then you will click on the buy option to buy the crypto. When it comes to the margin trading, it's of course free. It's going to be free because the Binance platform is completely free, so you don't have to actually pay a lot for this. If you just have like funds, you have some bitcoins, you can connect your wallet as well and transfer your tokens really easily and trade using Binance. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know everything that you wanted to know. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up if this tutorial was a big help to you. I tried to do everything about the topic, and I hope that you understood everything, and now you are good to go. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family members so they can also get the information they want to. Also, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel. The button will be given right down below. Go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Also, hit the notification bell so every time you get notified when we post a video. So yeah, also leave a comment down below. What was your favorite part and what did you learn from this video, or if you have any question.